I would like to show you our recommendations on how to prepare our poke.
You will need these basic items: poke cubes, seaweed and edamame salad, poke sauce, a pair of scissors, mixing spoon, colander, mixing bowl, and a display pan.
Now that we have defrosted poke cubes, we want to remove the excess liquid. Place the colander into the sink or a bowl. Cut open the back of the poke cubes. Pour the cubes into the colander. Let them rest for a few minutes.
We are now making edamame salmon poke. Place the poke cubes in a mixing bowl. Cut open the poke sauce package and pour over the cubes. Gently blend together to evenly coat the cubes. Now mix in the seaweed salad and edamame.
Now we are ready to display the poke using whichever container is appropriate.